Hi students, welcome back to the channel. So here in this video, we will be discussing about HTML body tag and its attributes. So this is our lecture number 15, and if you remember from lecture number 1, we have already used body tag so many times. This particular tag is commonly used, or we can say this is the compulsory tag in every HTML program. Without body tag, we cannot be able to run any HTML program, right? So here we will use, in this video I will tell you that how to use body tag attributes. By using body tag attributes, you can make your web page more attractive, more interactive. Okay, so let's move to the introduction part first, and after that I will tell you that practically how you can run these tags, or you can run these attributes. So HTML body tag defines the main content of the HTML document, or the section of the HTML document that will be directly visible on your web page. So in your web page, if you see the plain screen, जहाँ पे कि हमारा मेन कंटेंट होता है, that will be taken under the body tag, and there will always be a need to close body tag every time, and in every web page we can only use this particular tag only once. Okay, so this tag is also commonly referred to as body element. So this is how we write this tag. So body element contains all the contents of an HTML document, such as headings, paragraphs, images, hyperlinks, tables, etc. So these are the attributes. These are the most commonly and easily used attributes of the body tag, right? So first attribute is a link. Value is color. So suppose this is how we write it: body a link without any space is equals to, for example, red. You can write anything here. So jahan pe bhi value is written color, that means we can write any color here. It defines the color of active link in a document, and this particular attribute is not supported by HTML5. Next is background, that is URL. It determines the background image for the documents. It is also not supported by HTML5. BG color, if you want to add the background color of your complete body, background color of your complete web page, so you can write it determines the background color of the content, and it is not supported by HTML5. Next is link. It determines the color of unvisited link. So if you want to determine unvisited links color, so we write link. And if you if you want to add active links, so we use a link attribute here. Next is text. It determines the color of the text in the document. Next is v-link. It determines the color of the visited link. Onload, function call on page loading. On unload means function call when user leaves the page, means unloading यहाँ पे हो रही है. Next is on focus, function calls when document receives focus by user, and on blur, function calls when document loses focus by the user. So all these attributes are very important. So here in this video we will discuss only three attributes practically. First is background, second is BG color, and next is text color. Okay, so let's move to the practical section. So let me write here HTML, then head, then we need to write here title. In title I am writing body attribute. Okay, now close this title tag, close the head tag. After closing the head section, we always start body tag, and when we start body tag, there is always a need to close this. If we don't close this body tag, our program will never run properly. Okay, it will show some errors or something else. Now we need to close this HTML tag, right? So save this program uh, like body.html, save, and we need to run this. So here we have body.html. Okay, so you can see here what is the body section. This particular white screen that you can see on this video is your body section. I have not written anything here. यहाँ पे अभी तक बॉडी सेक्शन के बीच में हमने कुछ नहीं लिखा. That's why this particular section is blank in this case, and we have written this title body attribute. So here is our title section. This particular black screen is complete head section, and in between head section we have used title. So here in this head section we can see the output of this title tag. If I change this from body attribute to body attributes in HTML. Okay, save and refresh. So you can see the difference here in the title section only. Okay, so now in this particular lecture we will be discussing that how you can change the background color of this particular white section. By default, the background of body is white. Now I want to change this background color. So what we need to do is just write bg color between these tags. Bg color is equals to, let's say, sky. Save. Let me just check whether this particular attribute runs or not. So it is not working properly, so I need to change the color. So sky blue. Save and refresh. So you can see the difference. This is how we can change the attributes of complete body section. Okay, so now if I write anything in between the body tag, hi, my name is Ankita. Save and refresh. So this is how this particular section actually works. If I want to change the font size, if I want to increase the size, so I am writing here H1. Save. So you can see here, this is how HTML body attributes actually work. Now if I want to change the color of this text, so what should I do? Maximum students will answer that, ma'am, you can use font tag. Okay, so you can use it here like font color is equals to, suppose, red. Save and close. Refresh. Okay, but without font, how you can change the color of this particular statement written over here in this particular screen? So if I want to change the entire color of the text, yani ki in between the body section, whatever we have already written, I want to change the complete text color. So we write here text is equals to, here text is equals to, let's say, blue. Save and refresh. So color here is blue. Now after that I can write anything. Hi, my name is Ankita. Break row. So that I want to add something in next line, next row. Okay, I love HTML. Again we are using br tag. I love teaching HTML. Next is I love all my sweet viewers. Just save this and run. So you can see the difference here. Everything that we write in between the body section, it will automatically comes in blue color because we have written here text is equals to blue. If I change the color to green, just save this and then refresh. So you can see the text color is green now. Okay, by default it is black. Now let's say if I want to change the background color. If I want to change the background color to black, just refresh. So you can see the difference now. This is very interesting section. You can use any color, you can use any color code also here. Okay, if I write it red here, so red. Okay, so I hope everything is clear till now. If आपको यहाँ तक कोई doubt है, so you can add in comment section. Now I'm using another attribute of this body section. For that attribute, we need to just close this. We need to remove this BG color. I hope BG color is clear for you. Now I'm using background is equals to in between inverted commas we need to add the address of image. So this is the image that I want to use as a background. So copy this location and paste it over here. Slash add करना बिल्कुल मत भूलिएगा. Next is copy this name of the image. Dot extension. What is its extension? This is JFIF. JFIF. Save and refresh. Oh, so you can see this is how actually image works. So अगर मैं आप लोगों को एक image दिखाऊं जो मैंने background में use की है, so this is the image. Okay, so जो यहाँ पे आपको screen पर नजर आ रही है, this is the image. We have only single laptop in this image, but in output section you can see there are two laptops. Actually there are not two laptops क्योंकि image का size was smaller than the size of this particular screen. That's why हमारे system ने क्या किया, हमारे system ने automatically next image भी यहाँ पे add कर दी. So I hope यहाँ पे आप लोग easily समझ चुके हो कि किस तरह से हम लोग background को use करते हैं. So if you want to add any image as a background of this particular web page, so you can add background attribute here and address of the image that we have already discussed 2 to 3 times in previous lectures. And if you want to add simply the background color, so we need to use this BG color. Okay, now text, I want to change text color to white. Save and refresh. So you can see the difference here. Okay, यहाँ पे हमने H1 close किया है. I am closing it over here. So before saving, we need to add BR here again. Save and then refresh. So you can see this is the background and over the background we can write anything. यहाँ पे laptop के ऊपर हमारा text लिखा हुआ आ रहा है. We can write anything. Okay. So I hope everything is clear. So thanks for watching this.